Isang hakbang paabante ang lahat ng bumoto para kay Marco. Isang hakbang paabante rin ang lahat ng bumoto para kay Princess. Mag-step forward ang lahat ng bumoto kay Ashley. Humakbang naman ang bumoto kay Heath. Humakbang ang housemates na bumoto kay Caprice. Ikaw ang kapuso upang makatanggap ng big ticket para sa Big Jump. Step forward ang lahat na bumoto kay Crystal. Humakbang paabante lahat ng bumoto para kay Miguel. Mag-step forward naman ang bumoto para kay Joaquin. Mag-step forward ang bumoto kay Carmel. Mag-step forward ang lahat ng bumoto para kay Lela. Lela, ikaw ang kapamilya makatanggap ng big ticket para sa Big Jump. Congratulations, Caprice at Lela.
You were there, but I could only choose one. The only I could choose everybody. Why didn't you choose for yourself?
God told me not to. Sometimes God talks to me. Call me crazy.
It's unfortunate na hindi duo. We're not all playing. But, I don't know. Whatever happens, happens, Brody.
I just feel so blessed. At the same time, I'm scared.
So happy you picked yourself, bro.
So
No, I'm here for you.
embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not embarrassing. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not embarrassing. There's nothing wrong with it. For you.
Kakainis.
Don't think like that. It's not embarrassing.
Ang feeler ko tuloy. Thank you for picking me.
You're welcome.